Starting from its exquisite packaging, the latest Xiaomi flagship, Mi 10 Pro, has filled us up with expectation. The packaging box contains a Mi 10 Pro phone, a transparent phone case, user's manual, a warranty card, a USB-C headphone adapter, a SIM card pin, a data cable, and a 65-watt power adapter. This adapter can be used not only for mobile phones, but also for computer charging. Mi 10 Pro adopts the 3D curved display to bring you a comfortable grip and handling, and also presents you a screen with high color accuracy. Its in-screen fingerprint sensor unlocks the phone with ease and speed, while the 90 Hz refresh rate presents a more exquisite and smooth motion for the eyes. The in-display front camera is located at the upper left corner of the screen. The design of the symmetrical dual speakers will take you into a supreme stereophonic world. The quad camera setup delivers unrivaled flexibility. The powerful telephoto camera can pull the distant scenery to right in front of your eyes for stunning perspectives that are otherwise impossible. The portrait camera will give you a professional portrait shooting experience. The stunning 108-megapixel primary camera creates ultra-clear photos or 8K video to retain every detail of the world that you do not want to miss. The ultra-wide-angle camera will guide you to discover richer and wider perspectives. The rear camera, equipped with dual flash, is capable of handling any low-light challenge, allowing you to shoot with confidence. Its fast charging function ensures a constant full battery that is ready for your day. With a 65-watt power adapter, it takes just 45 minutes to get to 100% battery. This is Mi 10 Pro, an artisan's product, 10 years in the making.